Hi guys, it's me Gala. So today I'm gonna do my slime, clear slime, green slime. My green clear slime collection. I have this slime. It's like kiwi or anything I don't know. It's a little bit sticky right now. You can see it's really bubbly bubble. It's really cool. But you can see it like really real. Like it's not like that in that camera. It looks like different. It's not sticky. Let me just take it off. Like a little bit sticky when you take it off the container, but when you mix it, it starts not be sticky like a little bit. Because it's right now sticky because I take it out of the container actually. So that's the problem. You hear that? Really cool. I love when I poke it, it's like, wow, I love it. Like, this is really cool, I love it. Like, this is clear green slime. I never thought about that. A little bit sticky. I don't know what happened to it. Like, was before, like 10 seconds, not sticky at all. Maybe from the container. Actually, maybe, yeah. Actually, yep. That's right. Should not leave your slime like much seconds or it will be bad. Oh, sorry, the camera is bad. I just want to show my favorite people here. Like, hi everyone. If you want more slime videos, I can like show you but just please don't hate. Like, I don't want to hate on people. Like, I want to be like good with people. I love people. Like, I don't want to be like bad, but you just be good with me. Like, I can't be good with you. If you are bad with me, I'll be real sad because not one loves me about that. I love you guys. If you subscribe to me, I will just subscribe to you. Comment down below anything really smart and I will subscribe to you, and I like your videos. All of your videos actually, I'll swear to you. So this is really right now non-sticky. Roll below. Look, no sticky at all. Like, no, this thing is good. Like, you need it like more to not be sticky. Like, don't leave it. You know, it's like a bit sticky in my hands, but you just do that. I'll take all the slimes out like that. Just take it out. What? Okay, that's good. It's not like sticky a little bit. Like a little bit sticky. Just let me show you the noises of the slime. 1 minute. It's like a little bit noises. Where's the noise at? Okay, here we go. Like you can see here. A little bit terribly. I love it. It's like green clear slime. Cool, actually. Wanna know? It's from this bottom. It's really clear. You can see my face. Look, there's open on my face. Oh, again, what the hell? This video is really messed up right now. I don't know. Like, I can't show you this slime. You can see it from the table. Like, this is it, guys. We have been like 3 minutes. My God, this is real cool, guys. Let me just show you the slime pokey noises. Real cool. I love this. Like, this is really amazing. Like, you have never seen this one. Like, this is really amazing. Like, I love this. Oh my God. There's a little bit in the container at the bottom. Just take it out and keep it inside. Like, this slime is a little bit mini slime you can see here. But it's real cool, guys. Like, you should make it like clear glue. Keep a little bit, you keep a pigment. Or also food coloring. Let me just show you the pokey noises right now, I swear. My sister Hala poked like that. And I said, what the hell, Hala? She poked one finger. Like, What the hell? I play like that, and I do, but that's slime packs. It should let be really cool. That's really cool, guys. I love it. But it's a little bit sticky when you poke when you pop the bubbles on it. It's sticky, but it's gone from your hands. Like, you see my hands all empty, but some of here. What the hell did I do? Okay, that slime is really cool, guys. That was it for this video. I hope you subscribe, like, and share. And if you want more videos of slime, comment down below and I will do it right now. And also, if you want more videos, vlogs, challenges, I can do that for you. But really cool challenges, please. Not messy challenges, guys, because I love you guys so much. I'll see you next video, because right now I have to get a video. And yeah, guys, I'm really sorry for that. I will just see you in the next video. And I love you guys so much. Don't miss that. Please subscribe, like, and share. And comment down below. And turn on notifications for more videos every single day. And bye bye, guys. I will see you in the next video. I'm out of here.